Good day everyone, I am Ina Joy Laureta from BSIT 3B BPO, together with my groupmates Rowena Legaspi and Josan Matias, and we are here to present the understandings about the latest activity that have been posted lately by our professor, and this is all about a system thinking.
Good morning, Mom. I am Ligaspi Rowena, and I will going to create a synthesis or summary of analysis of A and B regarding the concept of system thinking. So A is a system story or system thinking. So this story highlights the importance of system thinking, which involves recognizing the interconnectedness and interdependencies within complex systems rather than only seeing individual parts. The story of the blind man illustrates how our tendency to see things in parts can lead to incomplete or incorrect understanding. In our everyday lives, this fragmented thinking is reinforced by the division of subjects in schools and specialization in professions. However, to truly understand the complexity of the world, we need to shift our perspective and think about the bigger picture. Love is just an example of complex system where a balance and feedback loops can affect the amount and quality of love, and unintended consequences can arise from actions to nurture or maintain love. System thinking helps us avoid repeating mistakes, recognize patterns, and identify opportunities for holistic solutions. B. Award-winning animation systems thinking, a new direction on healthcare incidents investigations. This video uses animation to explain the applications of system thinking in investigating healthcare incidents. It highlights how systems thinking can identify the root causes of problems and prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. And also, take us into the realm of healthcare. It causes how systems thinking can be applied in investigating healthcare incidents. By understanding the interconnected components of the healthcare systems, such as communication protocols, information system, staffing levels, and training procedures, system thinking help us identify the root causes of problems and prevent similar incidents from happening again.
What is system thinking? We have lots of definitions and examples of system thinking. It has something to deal with one thing or one decision. And it depends on how you think for something, like where it came from, how is it made, or how to use it. Let's tackle the example in the video. When you eat hot dogs or anything you always eat, did you think about the food you're eating? Like, is it clean? Where those spices and seasonings came from? Or is it good for your health? So if you want to eat something that good for your health, you need to consider those questions. And when it comes to decision, you also need to think systematically. You need to think if it will not hurt someone, if it will have a good outcome, and if it will solve your problem in a good way. So think systematically in all the things, in every day and all decisions you need to do.
System thinking is a method of understanding that interconnectedness of various systems which can help in maximizing program effectiveness. A system perspective is crucial for senior managers to understand the factors that influence the success of health interventions. For instance, a senior manager in a large regional health organization such as Suzanne is faced with the high rate of obesity in her community. She initially develops a program to increase physical activity. But this approach overlooks the complex interplay of psychological, social, environmental, and economic factors. By using a system approach, Suzanne can strategically consider other interventions, policies, structures, patterns, and norms that might influence the program's success. This approach allows her to better understand the external factors influencing the program's success and set more reasonable expectations for its success by focusing on the broader issue of obesity. Suzanne can identify opportunities for new partnerships or external policy changes, ultimately maximizing her organization's effectiveness. This approach holds great promise for addressing complex health problems like obesity, benefiting not only Suzanne but also everyone involved.